Ever create a killer lead magnet, starting to get signups, and then nothing? No engagement, no sales, just a list of emails collecting dust? Frustrating, right? But here's the thing. The problem isn't your lead magnet, it's what happens after those signups. If you're still manually chasing leads, or worse, letting them slip through the cracks, I get it. I've been there. But what if I told you your follow-ups could be run on autopilot, working for you 24/7 without lifting a finger? Let me show you how to make that happen. Here's the deal. If you're manually following up with every new lead, it's not just exhausting, it's a bottleneck. You can't scale that. And if you're not following up at all, those leads you worked so hard to get, they're slipping away. That's why automation is your secret weapon. When your lead magnet is seamlessly connected to your autoresponder or email tool, every new signup gets an instant, well-timed follow-up automatically. More engagement equals more conversions and less stress. So how do you set this up? Let's dive in. Let's get this working so your lead magnet actually does its job. First, we need to connect your email tool to Lead Creator using an API key. Sounds technical, but don't worry, it's just a special code that lets these two tools talk together. If you're using System.io, log in, go to Settings, Public API Keys, create a new key if needed, then copy it. Got your API key? Great. Now let's plug it into Lead Creator. Open Lead Creator. Go to Integrations. Select your email platform, paste in your API key, and hit Connect. That's it. Now, every time someone signs up, their info goes directly into your email tool. No more copy and pasting, no more lost leads. And the best part, once your email tool is connected, Lead Creator syncs across all your forms. So you don't have to check each one manually. No need for Zapier, no extra setup, just a smooth automation. Now that everything's connected, let's make sure that your leads don't just sit there collecting dust. The goal, let's keep them engaged without manually chasing them down. Here's how to automate your follow-ups. Open your email tool and create an automation. If you're using System.io, go to Automations. Set a trigger when someone downloads your lead magnet. This will then kick off the sequence. Then build your follow-up emails. Start with a welcome email that delivers the lead magnet instantly. Then schedule 5 to 8 more emails over the next few days because most leads don't convert the first time you email them. You need to warm them up. Before I had this set up, I was constantly checking my inbox, manually sending emails, and honestly forgetting to follow up half the time. But once I automated it, it was like flipping a switch. More engagement, more replies, way less stress. Not sure what emails to send? Drop welcome sequence in the comments and I'll send you a guide that lays it all out for you. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's also turning leads into actual customers. So let's fine tune your setup to work smarter, not just faster. Make sure your follow-ups feel personal. Use their first name. Mention what they signed up for and keep it relevant. A little personalization goes a long way. Keep your email list clean. Lead Creator automatically removes fake or invalid emails so your messages actually reach real people. Skip the tech headaches. No Zapier, no complicated setups. Lead Creator connects everything for you. No extra steps. No waste of time. And the best part, once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. New leads come in, follow-ups go out, your audience stays engaged without you constantly checking in, which means you can stop worrying about follow-ups and focus on what really matters, creating great content and growing your audience. Remember those leads just sitting on your list, collecting dust? Let's fix that. If you're ready to turn those leads into real business growth, it all starts with the right lead magnet. I've got a video right here that breaks it all down. Click on it right now, and I'll see you there.